welcome each and everyone. How you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. Welcome all the new gardeners. Welcome on board. I appreciate you guys. If you guys have any question, put it in the comment section. I will be happy to answer any question about gardening to the best of my knowledge. Guys, I appreciate all you guys doing for me. I appreciate you guys watching the videos. I appreciate you guys commenting to the videos. I really do. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you already a subscriber, hit the notification bell, guys, because a lot of video is coming with a lot of information. This channel is about showing you how you can grow a beautiful garden without spending a bunch of money, and how you can create your own natural organic garden, how to build raised bed, how to cultivate, how to set up your raised bed. Lots of information coming this way. So guys, I appreciate you guys. I cannot do it without you guys. Thanks for your support. Peace. Yes, so now this is my garlic now. So what happened is, these garlic, I bought them from Lowe's and I planted them I think in November. And they showed up, and I mean, we're getting some cold weather, but the weather not really doing anything to them. You see, sometimes these weeds in the garden, sometimes we hate to see them. You know, sometimes we hate to see them because we believe, you know, they do damage to the plants. But these weeds sometimes, this is a weed called chickweed. And this weed have a lot of benefit for us. But I want you guys to do your own research on chickweed, and you will see the benefit of chickweed. And I know a lot of people have these in their garden. What's growing up here? I'm not even sure what this is, but I'm gonna leave it because I don't know what it is. But all these weeds sometimes adds a lot of nutrient to your plant. You know what I'm saying? They add minerals, they add a lot of different things. So these things are very important in our garden. If I don't like to see my garden bushy, but what I will do, when I pull these up, I don't throw them away. I use them to create compost, because Betsan show that if these weeds are good for us, Betsan show it's also good for the plants. So yes, this is one of my garlic bed. This is one of them, and the garlic them is looking amazing. You know what I'm saying? They're growing nicely, and we're still in the winter, growing amazing. So this is awesome. All right, so I have more garlic over here. Let me just walk you over here for a minute. Okay, this garlic is the same kind of garlic I show you from over there. Yeah, this is the same kind of garlic. What I also noticed, I noticed that garlic like a lot of sun, because I'm going to show you some garlic I have up there, and they're growing, but they don't stand up as firm as these garlic that's getting at least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight in the day. Yes, so all these weeds, like I now show you, it have all different kind of weeds up inside this bed. But if I decide, okay, I'm gonna take them out, if I decide I'm gonna take them out, I'm definitely gonna use them for compost. I'm not gonna just throw them away in some place. I'm gonna use them for compost, because I guarantee you, all these weeds give a lot of nutrients and things that the plants need, I guarantee you, you can get it from these weeds. Some of these things you got to go and buy from the store. I guarantee you, these weeds will give your plants in a natural form. Okay? So this is my second garlic bed. So I have a few garlic and they're growing pretty well. Okay. All right. This is another bed of the same garlic. Same garlic. And they're standing up really good, even though we get in some serious weather. But that's fine. I'm glad I plant them in the fall, so they already start growing. Instead of me waiting for the spring to now start planting them, I did that in the fall. So I already have a head start. You know what I'm saying? So these are this is 3 beds of garlic. No, this is another bed of garlic. But guess what? This one, I bought this one from the supermarket. So the 3 I now show you over there, those 3 come from Lowe's. Okay? But these come from the supermarket. So I basically just want to see the difference when harvest time come. Because a lot of people say these from the store don't give you nothing. So I'm going to do my own judgment. Okay? All right, so let's walk up here. Okay, let's check these carrots. I did a video with these carrots. What I did, I cut off the top of the carrots, and look them here. I cut off the top of the carrots and I plant them. And what I see happening, they're still growing. They're even pushing out new leaves. And I think one up there this morning and it's already started rooting. I was checking to see if this one is rooting, but it ain't rooting as yet. But what we know for sure is definitely growing. Okay? So I'm gonna put it back here and I'm gonna show you guys the one up there that started rooting already. Okay? Alright, so I have a few of them. Alright. So yes guys, all these are areas that I already start creating the beds them. You see? I already made the drain to take away the water. So I'm start preparing already, getting ready for the spring. So I'm not gonna be waiting until the spring. You see all these areas here? They're just waiting for the spring right now. Okay. This is from my peach tree. I prune the peach tree and I take the limbs them and I choke them in the earth. And for what I'm seeing is, I don't know if you notice, but you see what's going on there. It's getting ready to push out blossom. So I'm so excited that I didn't throw away the limbs, and I choked them in the earth instead. Okay, all these are collards. Different edibles I have up inside here. But what happened is I really do not like planting in the winter because the plants them struggle a lot with the cool weather. So it's wise to choose your product that you want to plant, because sometimes it could be a waste of time. So this is why I rather to start walking on my bed, walking on my soil, try creating that master that super soil for your plants within the winter, instead of me trying to plant everything and then no set of production. You know, so I'm gonna plant as much as I can from the spring, go right up to the summer, and then I'm gonna stop planting. So all I'll be doing is harvesting, and in the winter I start making my super soil. All right, so now we here in my little herb bed: celery, parsley, chocolate mint, peppermint, and here we have, this is collards right here. Collards you could plant, because the thing about collards, they will last a whole year just producing for you. So it's no problem. Even they do well in the winter, they're still gonna produce within the spring. So collards is a good plant you wanna plant in the winter. You know, all these are my peppers. I'm not pulling them up. I wanna see what could happen. I wanna see if a miracle can happen for me over here. All right. Okay, so here we have some onions here. These are onions, and these are cabbage. The thing about cabbage is, in the winter, from my experience, they already start folding. Last winter, I planted some cabbage last fall, and the cabbage them run right through till the spring, and the cabbage look like they start folding, just like how this cabbage start folding, and then they just start to turn seed. So I don't know, but this year I have tried them in a different area. So now I'm gonna know if it was the area, or if it's just my luck that they're gonna turn seed every time I plant them in the winter. But the thing is, when I plant them in the spring, they just do wonderful. So this is why I'm saying I don't want to do too much planting in the winter, or unless it's herbs and collards, because the plants them really don't do well. Okay, this is, I think, Pak Choy. Yeah, I think this is Pak Choy. Beautiful flowers, and it's seeding. The thing about these as well, I don't have luck with them. I hardly can get any for eat every time I plant them. When I plant them, they turn seed before I can, they just start growing, then start turning seed. So I'm not even sure. Okay, so now we're hitting, these are few garlics here. These garlics grows up in my yard every year, and I never know what's garlic until somebody tell me yes, it's garlic, and then when I check, it really was garlic. So now I made this small bed, and I also made this bed. Okay, so all these are garlic. I mean, the beds them need cleaning up, but right now I'm not cleaning up. This is winter. Let these same leaf, these same weed do what they gotta do in the garden, because they do add a lot of nutrients and different things in the garden. So let this stay for now. But yes, this is my other set of garlic. They're standing up, they're growing, they're looking nice, they're looking healthy. But over the side, you get more sun. Also, these are some onion I have here, and the onion them start growing, they start looking beautiful. Okay, so let me show you what's going on with my broccoli. Okay, so now we hit the broccoli. This is the broccoli right here. This one is broccoli as well. This is a broccoli. I don't know what's going on with this one. I don't know, see how it look? Yeah, I don't know. So I just break it out. Yeah, so this little area here is my broccoli area. This one is a broccoli. Like I said, I'm not planting nothing in the winter unless it's garlic and onion. These other things don't do well. So it's basically, I need to use that time and add it to my garden. Alright guys, so I give you guys an update of my garden and what I'm doing. So I just want you guys to hit the notification bell if you haven't. I want you guys to subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. If you have any question, post it in the comment section. I'll answer to the best of my ability. So basically this is what's going on. And we in the winter. But the garden is going right now. The garden is shaping up. So very soon, you're going to be seeing things going on up inside there. Yes. So I just want to tell you guys, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for the motivation. You guys have a blessed and wonderful day. Please like, subscribe, and share. Peace.